Here is a solar panel mounting bracket installation guide. Step 1. Column and foot assembly. During installation, make sure the round hole end is facing up. Use two M10 by 25 bolts to attach the back column to the rear base. And two more to secure the front column to the front base. And that's it. The front and rear feet are installed. Step 2. Inclined beam support assembly. Use one M10 by 65 bolt to connect the front column to the triangular connector on the inclined beam, and another M10 by 65 bolt to connect the back column to the other connector. And that's it. The inclined beam support is all set. Make sure the grooves face toward the center, as shown in the figure. Step 3. Position and install inclined beam support assembly. Adjust the spacing between the assemblies to 1400 millimeters. Mark the positions for the expansion bolts, then secure both assemblies with M10 by 100 expansion bolts. Step 4. Install rail and connector assembly. Start by connecting the rail with the connector set. Then tighten all the bolts. Next, install the rail into the inclined beam and tighten all bolts. Now, the rail and connectors are fully installed. Step 5. Install the solar panel. Install the end clamps first. They fit 30 or 35 millimeter panels. Next, install the mid clamps. Then add the caps to both ends of the rails and inclined beams. And that's it. The solar panel mounting brackets are done.